Hello friends, welcome to all. In this session we will discuss about steel. Steel is a ferrous element or a ferrous metal having iron content present in it. In the last session we have discussed about cast iron, and it also contains iron and carbon content. Steel also have the iron as well as the carbon content, but in a different proportion. Generally in steel the carbon content is up to 1.5% and it is completely in the combined form. There is a difference between the cast iron and steel. Steel have different properties that of cast iron. Generally cast iron have good compressive strength but poor tensile strength, but steel is more hard and more tough than cast iron. There are various types of steel. One of them is plain carbon steel. We can also classify the plain carbon steel into various types, that is dead mild steel. In this type of steel the carbon content available is in very less amount, that is less than 0.15%. The second one is mild steel, in which the carbon content is range up to 0.15 to 0.3%. The next one is medium carbon steel. The medium carbon steel, its range is around 0.3 to 0.8%. And the last one is high carbon steel. High carbon steel, its range of 0.8 to 1.5%. So various types of plain carbon steels are there: dead mild steel, medium carbon steel, high carbon steel. The properties are slightly different from each of them. Generally in tools high carbon steel is used. There are lots of other types of steel. One is special alloy steels. What is alloy steels? If there are we add lots of impurities in steel to enhance the properties. So some of them are manganese, silicon, carbon, etc. So if in alloy steels, if the percentage of manganese is more than 1% or the percentage of silicon is more than 0.3%, then we cannot call it plain carbon steel, it will be called alloy steel. Why? Because the impurities are at much higher ratio or much higher percentage. There are also special alloy steels such as high speed steel and stainless steel. So lots of types of steels are available in the market. What is stainless steel? It have a very good corrosion resistant properties. Generally it used in utensils. It also used in places where we have to work at high temperature. And one is high speed steel. Generally in machines we use tools, but if we increase the speed of the machine then the tool not works. Then high speed steels generally work at higher speeds and at higher temperature because it's have more better properties than normal plain carbon steel. So lots of types of steels are available, and its properties, it's quite different from the cast iron. Generally in cast iron the carbon percentage is more, is range up to 2 to 4.5%, and in steel its range up to 0.15 to 1.5%. So in steel there are lots of properties. We can also improve by adding few elements. One is the tensile strength. The next one is hardenability. Next is toughness. So lots of types of properties are there which makes the steel strong. Steel is more corrosion resistive, more wear resistance, and it also resists shape and distortion at higher temperature. So resistance power of steel is more, strength is more, tensile strength is more in comparison to cast iron. It's more hard and it's more tough. So lots of more properties are there in steel in comparison to cast iron. So that's for all today. In the next session we will discuss about the impurities we added in steel to improve its properties. So that's for all today. Thanks.